today's video, I'm going to be comparing Vivaia flats and these Rothys flats. So I've been on the search for comfortable, covered, slightly professional, but slightly casual also shoes. And I've been asking my friends like for their recommendations, and I just went down the rabbit hole like researching, and I bought two pairs of shoes. I needed one light one and one dark. So I got the Rothys The Point II, and I got them in black. And then I got the Vivaia, I think it's Aria 5 or Aria 2, Aria 5 in the flats. I forgot what, I'll put the name of this color. I want to say it's almond, but I'm not 100% sure. But these are both washable flats made with recycled or sustainable materials. They're both like a knit. It's not a leather shoe. You can, like I said, you can wash both of them. You take out the insole and you can throw them in a wash, in a bag, of course, like a mesh bag. I've only just learned about, I mean, I've seen the ads for Rothys a lot and Allbirds, I think, on my Instagram feed for a while now, but I haven't bought any of them because I just didn't have a reason to, I guess, buy them. But now I do, and I really need comfortable shoes. So they're both brand new. I can't say I've worn them for a long time. I've just worn them around the house like today. So these are just my first impression thoughts. So if you have any other comments or suggestions, please leave them down below because I'm still on the lookout. I'll tell you why later, but yeah, so this is what I ordered. These were 150-ish. These were about 99, and Vivaia has like free shipping if you purchase like over 100. So I also bought these invisible socks, and these are really nice. So just 4 pairs of, like for me, I've been watching YouTube videos, so I thought I would share this because in case it helps someone else who is also, you know, looking for comfortable shoes for work, for walking, for a trip. These would be really great travel shoes along with work shoes, of course, and also everyday shoes. I think they both can be dressed up or down, and I'll try them on. Okay, so I'll put one on each foot, I guess. Okay, so I'm just wearing workout clothes anyway, so it doesn't really matter what I'm wearing. So my shoe size is 6.5, and I ordered these both in size 7 because, I don't know, reviews said that 2 size up. The Rothys fit perfectly in the size 7, so that was true. I went half a size up. The Arias or the Vivaias, it's a little big. I think like right here, it's kind of gaping a little bit. Oh, and these are also waterproof. I got these in the almond, the waterproof ones. So that is also a really good feature, especially when you're wearing flats and it's raining. I think it's awesome that they make waterproof shoes. I think they only have it in this color and black though. But that is a nice feature. Let's see what else. The insoles are really nice on both of these. This one has, I guess, the In Love insoles. I guess that's their thing. Pretty comfortable, and the inside of the shoe is just like that. So you would take these out before you wash them. The Vivaia ones have this little gel thing here, which is kind of nice. It's also, yeah, this one says water resistant, and same thing, very similar. This is how you would wash them. What sets them apart and why I'm going to return one is, I guess, just the shapes. I feel like the Rothys, the way that it's cut, it's just a lot more flattering as a flat, and it doesn't really gape when I walk. So the Vivaias, I think if I bought these again, I would have to go get my regular size, 6.5, because I think it's just a little too big. And also this part just looks, I don't know if it's just the color because it's black and then this is like a cream color, but it just makes my foot look way bigger to me. I don't know if I'm just imagining it. I think it's true though, just because there's nothing, I don't know. It's just a lot more covered here, so you see a lot more of the fabric. They're both very comfortable. The Vivaias feel more like a house slipper comfortable, like squishy. The Rothys feel also comfortable, but in a more structured way. Like I feel like it is not compressing my foot, but you know, keeping it nice and just like supported, I guess. So I kind of like that feeling. I don't know how I would like it like after standing up all day, you know, how your feet swell. So both plus and minuses. I would do really like both. I think initially I like the feel of the Vivaias just because it's like very, if you ever had those cloud shoes, like Adidas, like the cloud foam type of shoes, it feels like that. And I actually don't like those kind of shoes for running, but because they're too squishy. But for flats, I do like that feeling. So yeah, both would be good. Another one that I was looking at was the Allbirds, the Breezer, and that's a round toe shoe. I just didn't pick that initially just because I was looking for something maybe a little more dressy, more towards, I think this is what I was looking for, like pointed, but also could be casual. After trying these two on, I am going to return these, but I am going to try and get the Margot Walkers. So those ones are like a square toe, and I think they'll be better for a lighter shoe. And I'm going to get it in the nutmeg color, which is a slightly darker brown than this. I think that'll look better visually just because, I don't know, it's more of a nude tone versus like a whitish tone. So those are my, I guess, thoughts on that. The invisible sock, I guess I'll try it on because these are marketed to be worn with these type of shoes. So it is pretty invisible. I do like that it has like that silicone ankle part that keeps the sock on instead of it slipping down. You could totally wear it with these. And that's really good. I think if you're wearing it for a long period of time, having the sock in there makes it a little bit more comfortable. I feel like you can see it though when you go like this. So I don't know, I guess you would have to weigh the options: more comfort and sweat absorption, or being able to see it. So I don't know, totally up to you. But these are just nice socks in general for all your nose to show sock needs. But yeah, so I'm gonna return these and get the Margos. I'm gonna probably wear these all week next week, and I'll let you know. I'll try to do a follow-up video on these and also compare it to the new ones that I'm gonna get in exchange for these. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you if you're also looking for super comfortable work travel shoes, and I'll see you in the next video.